Before there was space travel, there was an idea. Before there was ever an automobile, somebody had an idea. Before there was telephone communication, it all began with an idea. Dronedek has an idea you can invest in, which could disrupt packaging and shipping industry as a whole. Call now to discover how to become a shareholder in Dronedek. Eventually, most online purchases will be delivered by drones. A drone can be an aerial craft, driverless vehicle, or it can be a robot, in addition to deliveries from a mail carrier or UPS. The one thing deliveries could all have in common is the ability to deliver safe and secure to a Dronedek. Just imagine millions of houses with Dronedeks in front. Now, imagine being a shareholder in Dronedek. While the phone, the automobile, air travel, and all of the other conveniences of our day-to-day lives have been updated, mailboxes have remained the same. Dronedek brings the mailbox into the 21st century with all of the modern conveniences. Call now to discover how to become a shareholder in Dronedek.